Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Last week, the US FDA made a pivotal move that has sent ripples across the digital health landscape. The agency officially withdrew its existing guidance on the clinical evaluation of software as a medical device, often known as SaMD. This has created a significant guidance void for one of the fastest-growing sectors in medtech. This action signals a fundamental rethinking of how the agency evaluates the safety and effectiveness of complex software and artificial intelligence algorithms. For companies in the middle of development or preparing for submission, the rulebook they were following has suddenly vanished. This creates immediate and critical challenges. The core issue is uncertainty. Without clear guidance, it is difficult to know what level of clinical evidence the FDA will now demand. Consider the case of a digital health startup that has spent the last 18 months developing an AI algorithm to detect early signs of sepsis from electronic health records. Their entire validation process and clinical studies were designed to align perfectly with the now withdrawn guidance. Their pre-submission documents are already drafted. Now, they face a critical question. Is our existing data package still sufficient, or will the FDA require a new, more rigorous prospective study? This delay could cost them their first-mover advantage and millions in investor funding. This FDA pivot is not just a procedural update. It reflects the immense challenge of regulating rapidly evolving software. The old framework was struggling to keep pace with the complexity of adaptive AI and machine learning algorithms. The withdrawal suggests the FDA is moving towards a new model that will likely demand more robust, real-world performance data and more rigorous analytical and clinical validation. Companies can no longer treat clinical evidence for software as a simple final-step validation. Instead, they must integrate data collection and evidence generation throughout the entire product lifecycle, from conception to post-market surveillance. This new paradigm requires a proactive, rather than a reactive, regulatory strategy. Navigating this uncertainty is critical for market access. Understanding the FDA's current thinking and adapting your evidence strategy is key to avoiding costly delays. If your company is developing a software-based medical device and needs clarity on the path forward, please feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.